Hey there, and welcome back to another exciting review of a fantastic kitchen tool that you definitely need in your life. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we're talking about the air fryer's accessories: stainless steel cooking steaming racks for steaming vegetables and rice racks for kitchen tools freidora. Trust me, once you hear about all the amazing features of this product, you're going to want to head straight to the link in the description and add it to your cart. First off, let's talk about the material. These steaming racks are made of high-quality stainless steel, which means they are durable, non-toxic, odorless, and BPA-free. You can feel confident using these in your kitchen, both indoors and outdoors. Not only that, but the symmetrical bars design of these racks helps distribute the heat evenly to your food, resulting in a richer taste and more even cooking. Whether you're steaming vegetables, cooking rice, or grilling, these racks have you covered. And let's not forget about their high temperature resistance. You can use these racks for cooking, steaming, grilling, cooling, baking cookies, pies, cupcakes, layering food, and even filtering oil or water. The versatility of these racks is truly unparalleled. So, if you're ready to take your cooking game to the next level, click the link in the description and get your hands on the air fryer's accessories: stainless steel cooking steaming racks for steaming vegetables and rice racks for kitchen tools freidora. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.